I have been doing polarity therapy for 20 years. I have been teaching it for 20 years. Polarity therapy is, to me, the foundation of any other modality that's out there. Now, the reason that I believe in this so strongly is that everything in polarity is about a positive and a negative pole. So these are two charges. If you think about a battery, jumper cable, and connecting both of those, you get a charge, right? Similar to that. If you have one disconnected, then you have nothing happening in between. Polarity does exactly that. Now, who is this course for? Anybody, or you are a massage therapist or another type of body worker. That's who polarity therapy is for. Now, as far as your clients and what the benefits are, the benefits to your clients receiving the work is that they are going to start to feel like, wow, that's different. What did you do this time? I feel amazing. That's what happens with polarity. Polarity is just so amazing. It's so subtle on some level and yet so profound because it works so deep. And when I say that, deep within the nervous system, deep within the digestive system. So you start to recognize and learn, how can I actually put some corrective methods in here to support my client with whatever their goals are. Dr. Randolph Stone actually developed this work. It has been around for a really long time, and more people are recognizing the power of polarity therapy and requesting it. So, if you want to grow your practice, if you want your clients coming back for the long term, then adding polarity therapy into your practice right now is going to be amazing. So, what is the prerequisite? Just to remind you, you do have to have some kind of hands on body work, even if it's Reiki, as long as you're familiar with working on your clients on a massage table, and you can get in the classes and you can get out there and start practicing right away. And when I say practicing, if you're seeing a clientele already, you just start incorporating the work as you learn it until it becomes second nature and natural for you to just integrate the work. The other way to practice is just get somebody on your table that wants to be there for you and have them give you some feedback. Okay? So, anyway, you ready to learn some polarity? Go ahead and get yourself registered, and I will see you in the class. Okay? I can't wait.